Breast cancer is a scary thought, and all too many women assume it won't happen to them. However, as of January 2020, there are more than 3.5 million women with a history of breast cancer in the U.S. This includes women currently being treated and women who have finished treatment. Those fighting breast cancer who are on chemotherapy or immunotherapy or who have metastatic breast cancer may also have a weakened immune system. This means they have an increased risk of getting sick from COVID-19. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, an annual campaign to increase awareness of the disease. And awareness has never been more important, especially in these times. The U.S. Preventative Services Task Force recommends mammography screening every 2 years for women ages 50 to 74. However, if you have any warning signs of breast cancer or notice any changes in your breast or underarm area, call your doctor. Hospitals and imaging centers are taking many precautions to ensure patients are safe. Many places have made changes to allow for social distancing by spreading out appointments, so only a few people are in the waiting area at the same time. Self-awareness is critical when it comes to early detection of breast cancer. You'll find a link to this story when you click the News of Note tab on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.